Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. In my previous video, I started lesson 10. Name of a lesson is our occupations, and I have given you a very good examples of occupations and pronunciation of occupation, and I have explained you the meaning of farming, why people earn money. These all things I explained you in my previous video. Today we are going to discuss more on this lesson. Poultry farming is another important occupation. What mentioned here? Poultry farming is another important occupation. This occupation gives us eggs and meat. What it gives us? Eggs and meat. Here is a picture of hen, and it gives us what? Eggs. Farming is the mother of many other occupations. So, in a very simple way or in a very simple sentence, we can say it as farming is the mother of many other occupations. This means that many things are made from farmer produce. Got it? Made from farmer produce. Cotton is used to make clothes. Cotton is used to make cloth. Yes, it is very right. We make sugar and jaggered for sugar canes, right? Jute is used for making bags and ropes. Jute is used for making bags and ropes. Cooking oil is made from groundnuts. Cooking oil is made from groundnuts. Let me show you the picture of groundnut. Children, these are some pictures of groundnuts. So with the help of these pictures, you understood very nicely what exactly groundnuts stands for. What is the meaning of groundnuts? So this also comes under farming. What mentioned in the above passage, farming is the mother of many other occupations. So this also comes under an occupation. Cooking oil is made from groundnut. Tea leaves are produced in different ways and packed in cartons before being sold. Let me show you the tea leaves also. Students, here are some pictures of tea leaves. Here are some pictures of tea leaves. When it dry, it becomes tea dust. When it dry, it becomes tea dust. These are some pictures of tea leaves. We must know that good farming needs smooth land. Yes, we are aware of this. Surface, smooth land surface and fertile soil. Where the field or else where the crops grow very easily, that land is called as fertile soil. And the land surface should be very smooth. Water is also needed for irrigation, and here water is also needed for irrigation. So farming is mostly done at places where these conditions are available. Got it, children? Where these conditions are available, on that places farming is mostly done. Plains with irrigation facilities are most suitable for farming. Got it, children? Where the land is smooth and the fertility of soil is good enough, then the fertile of soil as well as the growth of crops and all will be very good. Now about forestry, limbering. Forests are a form of wealth for ourselves. It's saying what it is mentioned in the here in this sentence. Forests are a form of our wealth. They are thick forests in some parts of our country. A number of people do the job of cutting wood in this forest. This occupation is known as limbering. Listen the pronunciation of limber.
Limber. Limber.
Many other occupations are dependent on forest. Many other occupations are also dependent on forest. What are the occupations? Let us find out. Some people gather gum and herbs from the forest. Herbs to make medicines and all. Gum anyhow, you all are aware of gum. What for it used? Wood is used in house building. Wood is used in house building. It is also used for making furniture. Cartoons are made for packing vegetables and fruits. Matches and matchboxes making and paper making are the most important occupations based on the forest. Paper making, matches and matchboxes. These all are what? Most important occupations based on the forest. Children, I underline some of the vocabulary here. Work on that. How to work? You all are aware of that. Learn by heart, write. Thank you. Have a nice day.